Hey everyone, welcome to ClickFix Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to live stream on TikTok from your PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your PC. In the search bar, type TikTok Live Studio and press enter. From the search results, click on the official TikTok Live Studio page. Once the website opens, look for the download button and click on it. The installer will begin downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions, click Install, and wait for the installation to finish. It usually only takes a few moments. Once the installation is complete, launch TikTok Live Studio. You'll be prompted to sign in with your TikTok account. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, create one first and then sign in. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main Live Studio dashboard. Before you start streaming, it's a good idea to configure your stream layout. At the top of the window, choose whether you want to stream in portrait or landscape mode. Portrait mode is usually the better choice for TikTok, since most users watch videos vertically. Next, create a new scene by clicking the plus button. Give your scene a name if you'd like, then click Add. Now it's time to add your content. Under the Sources section, click the plus button again. If you're planning to stream a game, select Game Capture, then choose the game you want to capture. Make sure the game is already running so it appears in the list. Once selected, click Add Source. Your gameplay will now appear in the preview window. You can resize it, move it around, or adjust the layout however you like. If you also want to show your face during the stream, click the plus button in the Sources section again and select Camera. Choose your webcam, add it to the scene, and position it anywhere on the screen. You can resize the camera overlay to create the layout that works best for you. Next, check your audio settings. In the audio mixer, make sure the correct microphone is selected. If needed, open the audio settings to choose a different microphone or speaker device. You can also adjust the microphone and game audio levels so your voice is clear and the game sound doesn't overpower it. Once everything looks good, you're almost ready to go live. Keep in mind that TikTok requires live streaming access before you can start broadcasting. If your account doesn't have live access yet, click the Go Live button and follow the prompts to apply. After your application is approved, you'll be able to return to TikTok Live Studio and start streaming directly from your PC. And that's how you can live stream on TikTok from your PC or laptop. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.